Hello guys, this is Vanshika Bansal, your host for today, and you are watching Address of Choice. Address of Choice is the best place to hunt your dream home or your dream office as we cover residential, commercial and retail projects. We shoot different properties in different cities to give you the overview of how your dream home can look like. So yeah, till now we have covered many properties in Mumbai, Pune, Noida, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and there are still many more to come, so do stay tuned for that. Well, today we are covering one of the projects of Dosti Realty Limited, which is Dosti Tulip. Dosti Realty Limited is in the business since 40 years and it has delivered 129 plus projects. It has given some of its finest works. If I talk about Dosti Tulip is a part of Dosti West County Township, which is built on 100 acres of ground. Dosti West County has multiple complexes which offers you with different and separate amenities, separate facilities, separate entry and exit points. So let's talk more about Dosti Tulip. Dosti Tulip is built on 2.7 acres of ground among the 100 acres on which the whole township is built. Well, Dosti Tulip consists of 3 wings. So if I speak about the elevation of this project, then it has ground plus 3 levels of podium parking. On 4th level, all the luxurious and fascinating amenities to perform your daily activities in the daily life is there. And from 5th floor, habitable floor starts and goes up till 29th story. Well, yeah, that was it about the formation. So now let me tell you about the connectivity which this project has to provide. This project is situated at Balkun, and if I speak about the locality and connectivity of this project, then Thane station is only 4 kilometers away, that is 10 minutes away. Eastern Express Highway is 2 minutes away. Balkun Metro Station, which is upcoming and proposed station, is 2 minutes away. CP Goenka and Singhania High School is 5 minutes away. Viviana Mall and High Street Mall is also 5 minutes away. Jupiter and Bethany Hospital is also under the proximity of 5 minutes. Grand Central Park, which is going to share the walls with the Dosti Township, is also there. Let me tell you, this project is best as per the connectivity wise, as it is situated at the perfect location, giving you the proximity of hospital, educational institutes and entertainment hubs. This project also provides you with high-end retail shops for your daily necessities. As I mentioned, on 4th floor, all the amenities of Dosti Tulip exist. Let me tell you what it has to provide to you. So it includes separate clubhouse, swimming pool, party lawn area, jogging path, amphitheatre, outdoor gymnasium and many more. Now let's take a tour of 3 BHK apartment of the Dosti Tulip, which is of the size 923 square feet. So let's go. As soon as you enter the apartment, you will find the grand dining and living area, which is very spacious as you can see, and it is of the size 22 by 17. You will also get the deck along with it, which will give you the mesmerizing view of Thane Creek and also the city view. So over here is the kitchen of the flat, which has 2 platforms which are parallel to each other. One is the long platform for the cooking counter and the other one is to serving counter. You will also get the provision of refrigerator and you will also have the provision of dry utility area, wherein you can fit your washing machine and do your daily house chores. This is the first bedroom of the flat. As you can see, it can be converted as a kids room also. It is also very spacious. Going ahead, this is the first common bathroom. All the sanitary fittings which you can see will be provided by the builder itself. Moving ahead is the master bedroom of the flat. It is of the size 10 by 13. You will also have your separate niche wardrobe area. And over here is the French window for the majestic view of Thane Creek, and you will also get an attached washroom. Over here also all the sanitary fittings will be provided by the builder. Now let's take a look at the 3rd bedroom of the flat. This is the 3rd bedroom of the flat, which comes along with an attached washroom, as you can see. And this is the passage area. And this is the 3rd bedroom. It can be converted as a guest room or grandparents room. You will also have your wardrobe space, as you can see, and over here also you will have the French window. Now let's take a look at the 2 BHK sample flat of Dosti Tulip, which is of the size 661 square feet. So this is the flat. Let me tell you, this will be provided in the same condition as you can see. Also, the bathroom sanitary fittings will be provided and it will be fully done up. So let's take a look over here. Now let's talk about the pricing and size of the Dosti Tulip apartments. So 2 BHK offers you the size ranging from 580 to 674 carpet area with the starting price of 1.13 CR all inclusive. 3 BHK offers you the size of 923 carpet area with the starting price of 1.57 CR all inclusive. Well, that was it from our side about this mesmerizing and fascinating property of Dosti Tulip. If you have any doubt or any query regarding this video, you can comment down below. Call on the number which is mentioned in the description link or on screen. I hope I was able to explain this video to you well. In this video, we covered the amenities, USP, connectivity and 2 and 3 BHK sample flat of the property. So yeah, also let me inform it to you that the possession date for Dosti Tulip is, as per RERA, is October 2026. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.